Welcome to the operation and installation guide video for the 10 liter oxygen concentrator J10 model dual flow. With the box you will get obviously a concentrator, you will get a nebulizer kit, and there is a flap on the top where you will get all the accessories, that is cannula, user manual, spare filters. This is a HEPA filter, this is particular filter. The test report will have all the details of the purity, concentration, pressure, all the test levels. You will get this card. This indicates that there is a ribbon at the bottom of the machine that is there to protect the compressor, hold the compressor while transportation. So you have to cut this ribbon before operating the machine. Also, if your manual is in other language, we have provided you the link of the English manual on our website and in the description of this video, so you can download the English manual from there and do read the manual before operation of the machine. Operation of this machine is very simple. Just turn on this button. You will have a power on indicator as soon as you turn on the machine. If there is no power on indicator, there is only a PF red light, that means there is a power failure. Check the power or check the fuse. So this is a low O2 light. When the oxygen purity is less than 85%, this light will be on. So machine takes around 5 minutes to make full purity oxygen. There are 2 bottles and 2 flow meters. See, now the machine is making full purity, above 86% oxygen. So you can control individually these knobs and take 5 liter maximum oxygen from each output, or you can close one knob and open just one output, and you can take 10 liter of oxygen from one output. Just open this bottle from the bottom, fill RO or filtered water or sterile water, and then use with the machine. This is a nebulizer port. You turn this and you can connect the port nebulizer kit over here. These are some other alarms over here. This is a high temperature alarm. Whenever the machine has high temperature, it will this light will be on. If there is low pressure, this light will be on. If there is high pressure, this light will turn on. So these are the alarms. This is the display of the machine. So this will show how many times we have switched on, what is the output pressure. This is a very important figure. A good output pressure is good for a patient to recover quickly. This is a current operating time, 2 minutes. Total time in the lifetime, this total 3 hours till now. So this display, and over here we can also set the time, how many time we have to operate the machine. 1 hour, 2 hour, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, like this. So we can set the time, and then the machine will turn off after the set time. Now I will tell you about the maintenance of the machine. For this you have to clean the outer body every 7 days. Take out the bottles, clean them with soap and warm water, all the cannula, any other tubes, and clean them with soap and warm water and dry and then use. There are 2 flaps of this kind on either side. Open this flap and take out the particular filter and clean them, dry them, and then use. This is how you open the flap from here. Take out this filter, clean, dry, wash, dry, and then put again. Every 300 hours you will also have to clean the main filter. So that is inside this flap. There is a screw over here. Open this screw, open this flap, and then clean the main filter. So I have opened the flap and I am showing the inside of the machine. So these are two out filters where filters are placed. You have to open these, turn this flap and take out and clean this filter or replace them with the new one you have. Then clean it and dry it and then reuse. You can see this is a very heavy quality machine with a high quality radiator inside to do better heat management. If there is loss of power or LP light, then open the fuse from here, change a spare fuse given already and try again. Do register the machine with us by going on the website. We have already sent you an email regarding that. Click the label and send to us with the registration number of the machine so that we can register your warranty. This is a purity check of 10 liter J10. You can see both the flow meters are on. Around 5 to 6 liters we are giving set the flow, and you can see the purity with our flow and our oxygen purity analyzer. At 5 liters it is 92%. Obviously the oxygen purity depends upon many factors like altitude, existing oxygen purity in the room, AQI, pollution, ventilation of the room. So right now we are testing, the purity is 94% from single output at 5 liters. For more info, visit our website and go to oxygen concentrator section, or if you have any other questions, you can contact our team.